Newsletter swaps. Everything you need to know. What? A newsletter swap is when two authors in the same genre agree to swap links for their books and their newsletter on a selected date. In addition to links, they might include the book cover as well as a blurb, description, or excerpt. Where? In your email newsletter. Why? By cross-promoting your book with the book in the same genre from another author, you're likely to pick up new readers. I recently did an unofficial poll, and many of my readers read at least a book a week and some upwards of multiple books a day. So by sharing your book links, you're helping them find new reads. How? There are many Facebook writing groups where authors will post that they're looking for swaps, as well as Facebook groups dedicated to this specifically. You can also reach out to authors who you're friendly with and ask if they'd like to swap. You can also post that you're looking for swaps. Be sure to share the date, your book link or cover if it's not yet available, the date range you're seeking, the dates you have available to send, and anything else that would be helpful for them to know. Some things to know. Sharing the link to your newsletter with the author is a nice gesture. On Facebook groups, you'll see these labeled as accountability threads, or you can message the author directly. Always check links to make sure they're correct before sending your newsletter. Amazon associate affiliate links are not allowed in newsletters. Consider how many books you send per newsletter. Some people opt to include only one, sometimes called a solo or feature. Others include several. Some more things to know. Send when you say you're going to send. Some authors read the books they share, but most don't because there isn't time. So be honest and upfront about your content. For instance, in the clean and wholesome romance world, readers don't want swears in the text, so if your book contains even one expletive, make sure the author knows that otherwise they'll have angry readers on their hands, which likely won't result in a future swap.